enjenderoho eziburi omwe aine kukuratiriza na munonga ogwe omuhagizi w'ekibiina kya NRM kyahika omukuteera obururu wa LC1 okusa kutandika izooba lya nyencakare byagambwa Dr. Tang Odoi ogwo niwe arikwebembera ebikuteeza obururu okwetooroora ihanga ahabw'ekibiina kya NRM.
The people come together, they sit, names are called one by the village registrar. The focal point person in this exercise is the village registrar. The village registrar will call names. The people say, yes, that's ours. That one died. That one is alive. That one migrated. At the end of the exercise, those who died will be crossed off. Those who migrated in front of the people. As they say that one died, you get a rule and cross him off and indicate died. If they say relocated, the whole village says he relocated, that one relocated. If an FDC, NOOP, DP is in the register, the people in the village know them. And if they call a name and say, that one is for NOOP, cross it. Unless he was in NOOP, he signed with us an oath of allegiance and he came back to NRM.
Ogu yabari omurembo Rwampara.
NRM members. So warn opposition people who infiltrated these baraza will sort you out. If politicians had infiltrated the register with the wrong people, children from schools who have now gone back to their homes, people will say, those are children of a school so and so, or school such and such, cross them, and we shall cross them.
Omurembo Rwampara tangudo yabari ya kitebe kikuru kya NRM omuruboma yayonja kushobora ari ebyo eby'omutezi w'akaruru aine kuratera.
The voters will go on one side, the non-voters will go on the other side as observers. And the election will start. What are we electing? We are electing members of NRM structure of mainstream. The 5. The chairperson, vice chairperson, secretary treasury, secretary publicity, and secretary finance. Once we have those 5, that is mainstream. Now the youth, the PWDs, they will also go and elect their own 5. They call them special interest groups.
That means that in the polling station is engaged, you can already to get identification of hotspot areas and Pazamani. So many cabin in Shabakchana Monong about his Rakaruru, Amunabetsimbi. Kwe nyencakare oburwitwa group sing
tugambasha na mnongo gwa basakutagitagisha izoba nyencakare nakaruru eshanzu zinga zenyine
ata karuru eshantu tugera abantu baza kutandika shayi bisana kosenza eshantu baza kutandika shayi ibiri abantu kwija shayina tutandike kushoma register kuturashoma register mpaka shaha mukaga kuzaye mukaga karuru katandike mpaka munana ka munatarara tera karuru kureza sha munana
omwe wa TV West ogunisebuma ogunwe arikwebembera na mnongo bikuteza karuru bwenwe Tango Doi wa Mbarara City nani ngamba ati na mnongo wo muri wa TV West arikutureba akaruru kitento tugambaho nakaruru ka NRM turiyo tureba akaruru ababa bemsi bakuza kutora nizo bari nyencakare nibo bebembeza abarengura LC1 abarije kwatere kibina cya NRM ebendera omukaruru kariya akahango akarkwebembera Dr. Byabakama Akarito Commission
twazo mu district ya Kibale omujishwa president omwanyogo yaashaba abanyakibale obutejwanza ombinte bikwati n'enganda amadini chaika omukutera karuru ka nyencakare ombwiro akakiko k'ebyobururu karinuka kwekikubasika okureba ngo nyencakare bateza je akaruru.
That in Kibale the exercise is moving on well.
Please let's utilize this time profitably. Let's utilize this chance. Appeal to all Ugandans from all walks of life.
I call upon everyone to come up on the 6th, that's the polling day, to come. We shall be meeting, convening at our villages. We shall come back with the registers, and also we shall want you to vote.
You shouldn't sit back and then tomorrow you come complaining that your people
have not voted.
kuhandikisibwa ku nsimba aba flag bearer bwa chairperson LC1 wa sero ya Mukindi nkusooka n'okukunga abasigazi mujye tujumbire kintu kino balekipikane bagamba abantu bakulu buwanga
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon Omurimbara na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.